Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to remove the cabin or pollen air filter on Mercedes C-Class 220 CDI, but it goes for all the models. It is for class W204 from years 2007 to 2011-12. Okay, get on the passenger side. Underneath here you have 3 torque screws. See, here, here and here. I took them out a little so you can see. It is T20 torque screw. Remove them. Take the plastic like this, unhook the light, connector when you pull the plastic down, and then it is easier if you fold the carpet like this. It will be a little easier to take out this plastic out. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now you have a connector here, just pull it out, and you have a connector for the light like this. Okay, you just take it out, this plastic. Okay, put it aside, and now you can see the air filter where it is located, and just take this white plastic to here. Okay, now you just pull it outside, and that's it. You take it out like this. To put in a new one, just put it in. Okay, you just put it in. You have to watch that it sits in its place. Hold it up like this, and this is, just pull the white plastic back to the side, to the right side, and that's it. And it fits and everything. That's it. Now put everything back, this plastic, and that's it.